Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 update error. Start by going to your desktop. Right-click anywhere on the screen, hover over New and click on Text Document. This will create a new blank text file. Double-click to open it. Now, in this document, paste the following commands exactly as they are. These are important system commands that will stop and restart essential Windows update services and reset corrupted components. These commands stop Windows Update services, clear and rename folders that store update files, reset network settings, re-register important system files, and use built-in tools like DISM and SFC to scan and repair corrupted system files. This process refreshes Windows Update components and restores them to a working state so your system can download and install updates again without errors. After pasting these commands, go to the top left of the document, click on File, and then click Save As. A new window will open. In the Save as Type drop-down, select All Files. In the file name box, type anything you like, but end it with .bat. For example, winupdate.bat. Then click Save. You will now see a new batch file on your desktop. Right-click on it and choose Run as administrator. The script will execute all of the commands. Wait for it to finish. This will fix update errors and repair Windows components that might be causing problems. Thanks for watching.